This is Alan Weinkrantz for Everywire.com. I'm here with Chano Gomez with Lantiq. Welcome. We're actually at the Consumer Electronics Show. We're at the Home Grid Forum booth. A few days ago, big announcement. Tell us about your announcement, kind of where you guys are going, and Lantiq's role in the G.hn standard, and broader, of course.
Okay. Yeah, so thank you very much. So a couple of days ago, we announced a new chip, a new product family that we're introducing to the market, which is our first product to support the new G.hn standard. As you probably know, G.hn is a new standard that was approved by ITU in June, July last year, so 6 months ago. And it's a very exciting technology because it allows consumers and service providers to send data, do networking inside the home using any wire that you have in the home. So electrical wire, coaxial cables, phone line, using very high speed because data rates that can go up to 1 gigabit per second. So it's very useful for all kinds of multimedia applications, sharing content around your home. It's useful for service providers to distribute triple play services, high definition, IPTV, any kind of multimedia application that requires high data rate will benefit from G.hn.
You know, when I started writing this site, it was a vision. It became a standard. Technology companies like yours are now starting to actually deploy technology, working with OEMs. Where do you see the standard going, and also where does it fit into the ecosystem with what Lantiq does as a whole?
Okay, so Lantiq, our main business today, if you look at the product portfolio that we have, it's mainly focused on what we call the access network, which is equipment that goes into the central office of telecommunication service providers. So
right.
ADSL, VDSL, voice, G.hn, etc. We also have what we call the CPE business line, which focuses on the residential gateway that you have in your home. You know, the small DSL modem that you get from a service provider that also gives you a lot of features. It gives you not only ADSL or VDSL or G.hn, but also Ethernet ports and voice and wireless, DECTs, etc. For us, the natural thing to do is we're starting on the CO side, the central office side. The next step was the CPE side. The next step is to go beyond the CPE, to go into the home network, and to provide silicon and provide products that will allow our customers to connect all kinds of devices in the home. Not only wireless devices, like there are devices like handhelds and laptops and iPhones. Right. Those are naturally connected using wireless technology, which we also offer, by the way. But there are a lot of other devices like set-top boxes or internet-enabled TVs or desktop PCs or network-attached storage devices. Those are usually devices that you don't move around. So they're always in a fixed location, they're always connected to AC power. So it's natural for those devices to use a wired connection. Why use a wired connection? Because it's very reliable. The signal does not get attenuated by walls, so it can provide good connectivity, very reliable connectivity anywhere in your home. So it's a very good complement to wireless technology. And we think our vision is that the digital home of the future will have both networks overlapping and consumers will use both at the same time. And actually, when we introduced the product, our new HNX family of G.hn products, we introduced a number of features specifically designed to make sure that this wired and wireless network work very well together.
You know, I think one of the perceptions, I'll speak to friends, I'll speak to even colleagues in the technology space, I'll say, oh, well, I've got this blog, it's about G.hn, it's about the wired home network, and I'll get this look saying, wired home network? I'm on Wi-Fi. Why would you? I think there's still this misperception. You still need plumbing, you still need infrastructure, and eventually there's going to be some connectivity to the grid.
Correct. It depends a lot on which applications people have in mind, and which applications they're familiar with. If you're talking about regular internet browsing from your laptop or from a tablet, right, Wi-Fi is very good. Yeah. You don't really need anything else than that. But if you look at other applications, like, for example, distributing high-definition IPTV through the home, or multiple IPTV streams through the home, the amount of bandwidth that is required for those applications, it pushes the boundaries of what Wi-Fi can do. Maybe you can do it, but it's very challenging. And in practice, what you see is, I would say, most of the service providers today in the world who are doing IPTV or delivering triple play services on IPTV, they are all using some kind of wired solution. Depending on the geography, you have service providers using power line networking. You have service providers using coaxial cables or phone lines, depending on whatever is available in a specific country. But the majority are using some kind of wired solution because it allows them to offload all those data-intensive applications, all those applications, IPTV video that requires lots of data rate. You offload that from the wireless network. You send it over the wired network. It works very well. It's very reliable. And then your wireless network is available for anything else you want. It's available for your iPhone, for your iPad, for all devices that are always going to be naturally connected to a wireless network. So I think you need both, and especially as more multimedia content and more HD content is available in the home, and people want to watch that content in different devices and share the content across rooms, people realize that they really need a wired connection to really have a good experience.
Okay, well, great. Well, thank you for your time. And how do people follow you, find you on the internet?
They can go to our websites, www.lantiq.com. And over there, they can find information about our new G.hn product line, the HNX family, and information about all the features that we have introduced with the product.
Okay, well, great. Well, thank you. This is Alan Weinkrantz at the Consumer Electronics Show for EveryWire.com.